Norman Hastings
And where are you from, Norman?
from Laurel, Delaware.
Okay. Tell me a little bit about your situation.
Between 12 and 15 years ago, my field drains were dead. Evidently, I called my septic man that did some work for me. He came and looked at my system and told me that my field drains were dead and that I was gonna have to put a new field drain system in. I said, oh my gracious. He said, that's gonna be pretty costly. But due to my son, I called a fellow from Hartley, Delaware, who came down and cut the 90s off of my laterals and put 45s on, flushed the laterals out. He put 5 gallons of your product into my surge tank, turned the pump on for about 25 minutes, and pumped the product out into the drain fields, and the drain fields have been fine ever since. Septic Drainer really works, and it has been a salvation for me. And I highly recommend it to anybody that would use it.